everybody! I'm here today to show you the best way to tie your Chuck Taylors. This will be a simple Converse shoes tutorial. As you can see right here, I have my Chuck Taylors. These are my Converse All-Star shoes, okay, otherwise known as Chuck Taylors. And I'm going to show you the best way to tie them. There are many ways to tie them. As you can see, they have a lot of loops over here, a lot of eyes to go through. So I'm going to show you the best way. What you want to do is you want to essentially go out to in a crisscross pattern. Let me explain this. This is in to out. You're going from in to out. We don't want to do that. We want to go out to in a crisscross pattern. I'll tell you why. When you go out to in, you're bringing these closer together, which tightens up the laces, okay? So just like this. Go with one side out to in, pull it through like that. Go with the other side out to in, pull it through like this, okay? And you want to get both laces, and you want to evenly pull them through. So I'm going to get both laces. I'm going to pull this nice and tightly, and make sure as well as you can to straighten out those laces, okay? You want to try and keep that bar nice and straight like that. It looks much better, okay? And that gives you a nice look because you're going out to in. So now we're going to take one side, okay? We're going to bring it across, keep that lace nice and straight, and we're going to go out to in on the next available loop right over here on that side. Just like that. Take this side right here. Keep the lace nice and straight. That's why I'm doing this. Go out to in this loop over here. Just like that. Okay? We're going to do the same thing over and over. This lace goes across, out to in. Now, it looks like it takes a lot of time, but it doesn't. Especially since once you lace them up, it's easier and easier to keep that lace nice and flat and straight. Just because there's less lace to work with. So you can see this one got twisted here. We're going to twist it over. Now, like I said, making sure the lace is flat takes a little bit of extra time, but, you know, it makes the world of a difference in the way that they look and the strength of the laces. You want to make sure that the strength is nice and solid, okay? Just like that. So one by one, we're going across, just like this. We're going to go across and out to in, like I said. We're going to keep doing this for the entire shoe, okay? It's very simple, and you can alternate. It doesn't really matter which side you do first in each section, as long as it gets done. So I'm going to take this side right here. We're going to push this through. Bear with me. We're almost done. Hopefully you're tying your Chuck Taylors along with me like this, okay? And I'll show you a quick little trick to save some time. Let's say I wanted to save some time, right? I could go across here like this. So I could go across here like this, right here. And then I could skip this loop and go to the next one up over here. So I could skip that loop on this side and go to the next one up over here. Because I'm doubling with one lace, right? Do the same thing with this one right here. Go across over here, out to in. Keeping that lace nice and flat. This one's all twisted. This one's all twisted. Fix that up. If you're in a rush, don't make it flat. But if you have the time, make it flat. Now here's where it gets cool. You know, you have this nice lacing pattern. You could just tie it with a regular bow up here, which will, you know, kind of, in my opinion, it might ruin the look just ever so slightly. But what we can do instead is take these laces, tie them in a knot like this. So just tie them in a single knot like this, okay? Tuck them away. So get them underneath the tongue, tuck them away to the side. And if they're on the side of the shoe, you probably won't feel them. And look at what you have. You have this beautiful lacing pattern, this beautiful tying pattern. That's it. It's very simple and easy to do. And then you can obviously stretch it out, make it look great, but that's it. That is essentially how to tie, the best way, in my opinion, to tie your Chuck Taylors. You got lots of options. You can bar lace them, you can sawtooth lace them. There are many different options, but I recommend this option. It looks the best in my opinion. Looks the cleanest, and then you got that lace under there. It just has a very clean look. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.